Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. This video is related to finding a university in China under Chinese government scholarship program for a specific major. So in this video, I will teach you step-by-step procedure to find a university which is offering your major. So what you have to do, first you need to open the Google Chrome, and here you need to put the CAMPUS campus china.org. So this is the official website of Chinese government scholarship. So you need to open this one. So here you can see that this is the official website. So in this tab you can see that there is the universities and programs. So under this tab you can see that there is search categories and programs. So you just need to click on it. Okay, so this is our search bar. If you want to apply for the bachelor, master degree or PhD, so you have to select from here. Let's suppose you want to apply for a PhD, so you will select this one. Okay, now you can also specify the language of your program, like you want to know that which university is offering in English, because in China some universities are offering different majors in Chinese and some of them are in English. So you can select the English. Okay, so we don't need to put these province or the university. Here we need to put the keyword. Let's suppose you want to apply for the food science, so you will type here just food. If you will put food science complete, then it will also take the major that related to the science. Okay, so then there will be two keywords, food and science. But if you want to be more specific, so you just click food and then go to search. Okay, so here you can see that here are the universities that are offering major related to food science or food engineering or food, and you can also see that the language of instruction is in English. So this university, and you can also see that the Chengdu University. So here is the list of, maybe you can see that a university is offering two programs like food science engineering or food nutrition and safety, therefore it shows like this one. So you can find your major here. So this is the first page. If you want to go to the next page, then you can go you can click on the second page. Okay, so here you can see that there are total 6 pages. So in this way you can find your specific university that is offering your major, and these universities are under the Chinese government scholarship, and this is their official website. Let's suppose if you want to apply for the mechanical engineering, so you can just put here mechanical, or you want to apply for a master degree, so you can remove this and you can select the master degree and then go to search. Okay, so here you can see that the list of universities that is offering master degree in mechanical engineering and the language of instruction in English. So here you can see that there are total 10 pages. Okay, so let's suppose you want to find you want to select this university, so you just click on it. So here is the university portal. Okay, so you can also find that different scholarship that this university is offering. Okay, so if you want to go to the official website of this university, then you can click here. So this is the official website of this university, and if you will click on this, then it will take to the official website of this university. So from here you can find your supervisor, and you can send them email for acceptance letter. So this video is just related to find the specific university which is under Chinese government scholarship and offering your major. So in next video I will explain how you can find the faculty of a specific university or a specific major. Thank you.